Hey, you ever been in somebody's car and they be like, you shut the door and they be like, you gotta slam it. You slam the door and they be like, you gotta slam it hard. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Let me get over here in the shade, man. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Big Play Ray, coming to y'all with another Copart walk around, man. If you haven't already, what is you doing, man? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be updated when your boy upload a video, which is every single day, by the way, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, wehustledaily.co, and most importantly, before you go to the auction, before you even try to buy a car from a private party, check out wehustledaily.com, because you might end up on the side of the road. You might end up with a lemon, you know what I mean, because somebody sold you something and you ain't know what you was doing when you went out to check the car, and you just didn't know what you was doing. Even, hey, I done seen people who got a scanner and still don't know how to use the scanner, you know what I mean? So if y'all want to learn how to check out cars, man, and pick out a good car, whether from an auction or a private party, making sure that you don't get jugged, scammed, finessed, driving across the street and your damn check engine light come on, make sure you go to wehustledaily.com, because I'm gonna show y'all everything y'all need to know. But got a couple of cars to check out. Let's get right into it. Well, would you look at that little midget? That's what it says, midget. Little stick shift. This car probably fun as hell to drive. Little windshield. It's a 1976 midget 2-zone. This thing's probably really fun to drive, yo. Probably had a time of your life in this thing. I think this is the gas right here. Little bitty wheels. Let's see, 20. No, not 20. I'm tripping. 13s. Oh man, that's small. Even the Honda little Civics got 14s. Oh man, this joint's heavy. Little motor in here, 4-cylinder look like. Yeah. I know this joint don't run. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alright, you know what? That car is similar to the Miata. Small Miata. Yeah, that's they kind of similar, man. I still feel like that other cars, that midget is probably smaller than this one. Same 13s, nope, 14s. Yeah, I'm about to say that. Ooh, still feel like that midget is smaller, but check out the Corvette, man. Corvette is wrecked. Stingray. This joint is all tore up from the floor up. Doesn't even have the year or anything on there. Can't get in. Leather interior. Smell good still. Do the top come off? Yup, top come off. Trunk open. This is messed up. But yeah, man, that boy looking like a beast right there. Look good. Gotta love them vets, man. Them vets be looking right. Big boys. Alright, let's keep it moving though. That midget is like one of them smart cars. Probably as small as a smart car. Alright, but I remember this Ferrari was not for sale. Oh, no, my bad. I think this is a Porsche. I'm tripping. Porsche, my phone won't open up. Yep. Porsche. So yeah, this Porsche is a 1987 Porsche 944. They got $200 on it right now. It wasn't for sale last time I showed y'all this bad boy, but I'll show y'all again. Got the glass all tore up. 944. Whole back glass is gone. The body look like it's in good condition though. check out the inside for y'all who haven't seen the video. Show y'all again. It's dirty though. Stick shift. No, that boy ain't cranking up. Alright, so let's keep moving. My phone doing all type of stuff by itself. But yeah, let's keep moving. I think I got some more cars to show you guys. I haven't found nothing at this Copart or any Copart really in a minute, man. It's crazy. But alright, let's keep moving. Definitely have to show y'all this old Mama Jamma. 1978 Ford something. I don't know what it is. It's toe up though. It's a Ford something. Y'all let me know in the comments below what this is. I can't even tell by the sticker. It just say L something. LTD. Yeah, that's what it is. A Ford LTD. They was trying to look like they was trying to bring it back. The interior is not super horrible. Got the toe sticker right there, so it's probably sitting somewhere it wasn't supposed to. The Holy Bible, praise the Lord. Yeah, y'all see it, man. We're not gonna even try to crank this up. I know this ain't cranking up. You gotta slam this one. Damn. Hey, you ever been in somebody's car and they be like, you shut the door and they be like, you gotta slam it. You slam the door and they be like, you gotta slam it hard. Like, shit, how hard you want me to slam the damn door? Damn, that joint heavy. Motor, nothing too much to see right here though. Got some rust and most likely a motor that definitely does not run. Oh man, yeah, that's one of them gotta slam it hard doors. But all right, man, let's see if I can locate one of these other cars. Then we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Damn, I'm tripping. All right, we got a 2002 Toyota Avalon, 160 on the miles. It sounds like somebody playing music right here. We got 160 on the miles. Let's check this out. I mean, looks of it look like it's been sitting up. Got an ES right here. You can look in that too. It's been sitting up, man. Be lucky if this thing crank up or got power. I'm gonna make sure because I did that on one car and I didn't hear no noise and it had actually crunk up. But yeah, man, got the Lexus right here. The Lexus is good inside. What's this? The ES 300H. I think I might have showed y'all this before. Oh, damn. Damn. That joint tore up. That joint tore up from the floor up. Dang, son. Look good, though. Just can't mess with the hybrids. But all right, Hustle Nation, man, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell to join the Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Greatly appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Greatly appreciate Copart, man. And again, whdacademy.com is where you're going to go to learn how to check out cars and pick out cars at the auction. I'm going to show y'all everything I know. Please don't get stuck with a lemon, but you can get stuck with a lemon if you want to. I'm gone. It's your boy, Big Play Ray. Peace.